Probably my favorite thing to eat the plum conserves on is oatmeal because it has the plums, it has the oranges, it has the raisins, which I like eating on my oatmeal anyway, and it also has the walnuts, which adds that healthy fat that I want to have. So it's actually not that hard to do. First thing I need to do is chop up 5 cups worth of plums. Then I'll slice up my orange. I do either 1 good-sized orange or 2 small ones for this. And then I place my 5 cups of plums in my pot, in addition to my 1 orange, 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of raisins. If you have large raisins, you might want to slice them in half, and 2 tablespoons of dry orange peel. Now I'll place this on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once the conserve comes to a boil, I'll set my timer for 10 minutes. Now I'll add 1 cup of chopped walnuts. I've also done this with almonds, that tastes good too. Now I'll fill my half-pint jars up to 1/4 of an inch of headspace, which is the space from the top of the food to the top of the jar. I use a clean damp cloth to wipe off the rim of my jars so that if anything got on the rim that it won't interfere with the seal. I'll then place my lids and rings on until they're fingertip tight. I'm using Superb canning lids today, which have this superior squishy blue seal. I really like the way that it attaches to my jars. It seals for up to 36 months as opposed to the 18 months that the other lids do. I have a link as well as a 20% off discount code in my description below. Now I'll place these in my boiling water bath, submerged by 1 to 2 inches of water, and process them for 15 minutes if I'm at sea level. I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'll process them for 20. But I won't start my timer until after it begins to boil. Now that my timer's gone off, I'll remove the lid, turn off the heat, and let it cool for 5 minutes. I remove my jars from the canner and place them 1 to 2 inches apart on a heat-resistant surface. I'll leave them there for 24 hours so that they can get a good seal. I know that they have a nice seal if the center of the lid has depressed down. If it has, then I remove the ring, wash off the outside with hot soapy water, and store them in a cool, dry, dark location like my pantry and use them in the next 1 to 3 years. If any of them didn't seal, I would place them in the refrigerator and use them right away. Time for the taste tester. So I want to get a raisin and a nut and a little bit of that plum sauce. Every time I eat this, I'm reminded why I like it on oatmeal so much. It's got a little bit of that sour plum, that citrusy flavor, and then of course the nuts and the raisins. I mean, seriously, it's just perfect for oatmeal.